Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I want to share with you what I created with some dies that were sent to me by Globleland. And today I am featuring the lemon die set and the insect die set. So first up is the lemon die set. And this is everything that it comes with. It comes with branches. It comes with leaves. We have these two flowers here. This right here represents ice. We have the sliced lemon here. We have a mason jar, and we have whole lemons. It also comes with a hard, a half lemon, and this is the straw. And let me bring it up a little bit closer so you can get a better look at it. There we go. And so I did some embellishments with this, and this is how they turned out. I loved how they turned out. You see the ice here. This is a little bit that I had in my stash, the straw, and I used some I forgot what you call this, some gauze. I think that's what that is. But they turned out really, really cute, and I did want to do them in this dark paper because I am doing some embellishments for Halloween. So I absolutely do love how they turned out. And just to give you an idea of what the whole lemon looks like, it's this right here. And then this is the sliced lemon. Now, I did not cut everything out, but I did want to share with you what I used to make the embellishments with. And I think they came out really, really cute. So I'm going to set this aside, push it over to the side, and then I'm going to share with you the insect die set. Now, this also came with a lot of pieces as well. This is the insect die set, and it comes with the magnifying glass. I absolutely love this. It comes with a bee set. It comes with a snail. This one has a lot of accessories with it. It comes with a butterfly. It comes with a cricket. It comes with a dragonfly. And it comes with a ladybug. So this is everything that comes in this set. And when I tell you, it is so stinking cute. So let me share with you. I did not cut out everything, but I did cut out a sample of the snail so you can see what that looks like. And I love that you can see the details in it, the embossing in it. And then this is the cricket. So, so cute. These cut out very, very well, and you can see all the details. So I absolutely love that. Now, this is the magnifying glass. I absolutely love it. I turned it into a shaker, and in the inside, you see that I have the beetle, not beetle, you see that I have the ladybug in the inside of it, and I have some shaker pieces here. I put a flower here, again with that gauze. I have spiders here, and I have a spider web. Now this came from a die that I had in my stash. This is the back of it, and I absolutely love how this turned out. I originally saw this in a shaker swap that I did. I do not know if the person that used this, I don't know where she got it from, but when I saw this on on their website, I knew that I had to have it. This is so stinking cute. And you could definitely use this to create back to school projects. This would be so fun. It would definitely make a pretty card. And I just loved using it for Halloween. I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. So that's all I have to share with you for these two for these two die sets. I will definitely be back with more embellishments, more projects to share with you with the rest of the dies that I have. I will have all of the information linked down below. Make sure you stop by and show them some crafty love. If you are into crafting, you are going to love them. They have everything you need for your crafty projects. So I'm sure that there is something there that you are going to find that you're going to love. And also the prices are very, very reasonable. So again, I'm going to have their website link below, and I am also going to have the links to the dies that I used. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know that I definitely appreciate it, and you guys have a great crafty day. Until the next video, bye-bye.